Welcome to the world of Ansible Inventory. Think of it as the master list of all your managed hosts, like having a well-organized contact list for your infrastructure. You can group hosts to keep things tidy, choose between dynamic and static inventory, and automate configurations seamlessly. Pretty handy, right? If only life had an inventory file to manage all our daily tasks. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Host Vars are like secret instructions tailored for each machine. They help customize settings per host, making automation more flexible and smart. Imagine if you had your own personal settings file, one that kept track of all your preferences. Now, while machines enjoy this customization, we humans have to keep track of things manually. Unfair, isn't it? Using arrays in Host Vars is a game changer. Why store one value when you can have a whole list? Whether you need a list of packages, IPs, or configurations, arrays make things cleaner and more efficient. It's like having a shopping list instead of remembering everything on the spot. Less room for error. Syntax in YAML is straightforward. Just remember the golden rule: indentation is king. Each item goes on a new line, making it readable and structured. Unlike other formats that may confuse you, YAML keeps it simple and clean. If only assembling furniture was this structured and easy. YAML is the go-to format for defining arrays because it's easy to read, no weird brackets or clutter. Just like neat handwriting makes life easier, a well-structured YAML file makes automation smoother. If only our brains had YAML format for neatly organizing thoughts. Here's an example. Let's say you want to install multiple packages on a host. Instead of writing separate variables, you bundle them neatly into an array. Imagine if your to-do list worked this way, automatically grouping related tasks. It would save so much time. Accessing elements in Playbooks is straightforward. You loop through them just like picking out your favorite playlist tracks. Instead of manually defining each item, Ansible does the hard work for you. If only there was an automation tool for choosing what to eat each day. Loops are your best friend when handling arrays. Need to install 10 packages. Instead of writing 10 separate tasks, just loop through the list. It's like meal prepping. You cook in bulk so you don't have to stress over dinner every day. Using arrays and templates makes things dynamic. Jinya 2 lets you loop through arrays, generating configuration files with ease. It's like filling out a form but having all the fields auto-populate. Less effort, more productivity. Arrays and variables, like a dynamic duo in coding. We can mix them together to make configurations more powerful. Using loops helps smoothen integration, but watch out for those pesky data type mismatches. They're like mixing oil and water. And finally, keep it optimized. No one likes a sluggish system, especially when arrays can zoom past inefficiencies. Defining arrays is like naming your pets. You need clarity and consistency. Stick to meaningful names, keep the formatting structured, and document them so future you isn't left scratching their head. And hey, let's not get carried away. Simpler arrays make life easier. We've all been there, arrays behaving like rebellious teenagers. Initializing them correctly is step 1. Index errors. Those are sneaky like hidden traps. Mixing data types. A recipe for disaster. And let's be kind to empty arrays. They need a bit of attention too. Debugging arrays in Ansible is like being a detective. Print statements help inspect values, kind of like a magnifying glass. Ansible's debug module is your secret weapon. Always check variable scope, because surprises are fun at birthdays, not in debugging. And test incrementally. Small steps prevent major headaches. Taking arrays to the next level. Dynamic inventories. Yes, please. Loops make handling structured data a breeze. Automation gets smarter when arrays are used effectively. And external API integrations. Now that's where arrays flex their muscles. Arrays are your best coding buddies, powerful, flexible, and ready to boost efficiency. Follow the best practices, steer clear of common mistakes, and leverage debugging tools like a pro. And don't forget, embracing advanced techniques will make your automation truly shine. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.